Have you always wanted to learn to paint, but life got in the way? That was me 22 years ago. But then I got really sick and it was on my bucket list and I had to learn it quickly. And this was before the internet. Oh my gosh, it was so hard. But I did finally find a weekend workshop where I went. I spent well over $1,000, but I came home with a beautiful painting and I really just went crazy painting after that. And I have made a goal that I will help any beginner who wants to learn. And if that's you, then this is where you need to be. And I will teach you tutorials, hints, tips, tricks, product reviews. I'll have motivational videos and all those kind of things that will help you improve your art quickly. So if you want to learn to paint, I want to teach. We could meet up. It'd be great. So anyway, my name is Sharon Durbin Graves. I'm with paintingwithacrylics101.com. Let's paint together real soon.